Okay, we're here with Damitha Rajapakse of the Native Forest Foundation, and we're here in an arboretum that he's created of indigenous wild fruit trees of Sri Lanka. And so Damitha, can you tell us a bit about your project and then maybe show us some of the fruit trees that you're growing and tell us a bit what they do?
Well, this is a collection of native wild fruit tree species we have collected right across the country, and this plot of land as a mini arboretum will serve as a gene bank for native wild fruit trees in Sri Lanka. So the purpose of this project is to conserve and propagate these fast disappearing wild fruits in the country. At the same time, we will collect some of the important the knowledge or the traditional knowledge related to the native plants in the country. It's called ethnobotany. So we have a collection of over 60 species at the moment in this plot of land, and we are planning to collect up to over 100 species as a collection and conservation point.
Wow. Okay, so can we just walk around and see a few of the trees so we know what some of them are and how they can be helpful for people?
Yep. Let's start from here. Like some of the trees, main trees, we have go down from dry zone areas, which we considered as the heart of the country. So this is one of the fast disappearing excellent mora tree. It's called mora, but this also fast disappearing kind of thing. And also this is a part of dry zone is veera. It's also a very hard tree. You can see that the fruits are very nice.
Where are the fruits?
Veera. The fruits still not bearing. It has to grow a lot. And there again, let's look at some of the bush trees. Like this one, you see, this is called butterkirilla. The tender leaves of this plant had been used for deworming for children. So there you get a fruit. So fruits are very reddish color in, and also this is a very common tree. Might disappear, but at the moment it's a domestic tree. It's called China pera.
Great.
And this is another variety. It's palu. It's also from a dry zone area. These are huge trees. Takes long time to bear the fruits.
Okay.
And this is also the tree from dry zone, where the collection is mainly from dry zone. So this is called Damina. Damina is it's already bear fruits. So there's a season for that. And also, this is also another kind of a variety. You see, there is a good one fruit over there. This is a very rare tree. This is called the Kohollalaulu. We have all the botanical names of these varieties, but at this moment of time, I have no access to tell you about the botanical names.
Okay, so
and this is also another tree, indigenous tree. This is called the endemic jambu. This is the local variety.
Great.
Some people say this pini jambu.
So can you tell us a bit about what your plan for the site is now and what you plan to do with the project? Also, you're doing an education project with schools and with Sunday schools and other organizations to get the message out to children too. So the part of the project is to propagate these varieties through the Sunday schools, like in rural church parishes as well as the Buddhist monasteries. So where they have the adequate land space, and also the need to educate the children and also educate the future generation about the value of the native trees. So that's one part. The second is to document the ethnobotanical or the traditional knowledge related to the native plants in the country, and we're planning to document them and write a book, distribute among the children. So the last but not least, the
other one is to have a collection of the gene bank, and if anyone wants to have research or any educational activities, so this is a place where they could use it very well.
Great. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.